In a world where whispers of nature held secrets, wetlands thrived as guardians of life. "Look at this," said the wind, swirling over the marshes. "A treasure trove of carbon lies beneath." The water chuckled, and I cradled countless creatures, each a thread in the web of life. As the sun set, shadows danced, revealing the wetlands' magic. "Together we are a sanctuary," they sang, "a haven for the earth's breath and heartbeat." Inspired, the world listened, vowing to protect these sacred lands. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.